Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether Turbovpn is free to use or not. So in order to do that procedure, you have to first thing install the application. So head over to your respective app store and then install the Turbovpn app on your device. So in my case, I happen to install it already, so I'm just gonna open it up. So Turbovpn offers both free and paid service. So when you open up or when you install the following application, make sure to mark on the terms and condition, and here you can see they offer you a 7-day free trial as well. So you can go with the free trial by tapping on start free trial located right at the bottom. So in order to begin with, you have to go ahead and add a payment method. So for that case, enter in or type in your credit card details. First thing, you have to provide in your card number and then your month of expiry and provide in the CVV code. Once done entering the following information, then click the save button and then you are free to use. So that's how you can use the Turbovpn for free. Likewise, it may have some limitation compared to the paid version, such as slower connection speed and occasional advertisement as well. That's how you can use your free trial on Turbovpn. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.